Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever been in the middle of an intense gaming session on your PlayStation Portable and suddenly you're hit with the dreaded error code 8010850F? It can be quite the buzzkill. But don't worry, we've got you covered. This error generally pops up when you're trying to download or play a specific game and it reads, "To use this content, you must activate the content." It's essentially asking you to activate the game through the PlayStation Network, or PSN for short. So how do you go about fixing this pesky error? Let's dive right in. The first step is to make sure your PlayStation Portable firmware is up to date. This is crucial as outdated firmware can often lead to such errors. Check for any available updates, and if there are any, get your system up to speed. But what if your firmware is already updated and you're still seeing the error? Well, you'll need to do just as the error suggests. Activate the game through PSN. Here's how you can do that. Sign into the PSN on your PSP to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to Account Management. Look for the option that says Activation or Activate and select it. Then select Games and activate your PSP. Once you've done this, check to see if the error is still there. If all goes well, it should be gone and you can get back to your gaming in no time. To summarize, the PlayStation Portable error code 8010850F can be fixed by ensuring your firmware is updated and activating your game through PSN. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support, and for more tech updates, visit queries.com.